It's 2 a.m. and the alarm goes off. The plant manager gets a phone call at home. The case bearing temperature is well beyond the operational safety limit. The plant manager rushes to the site, but the failure is too far gone. The damage forces a complete plant shutdown and requires replacement parts to resume operations, resulting in a loss of generation for 3 to 6 months. Could this type of failure have been detected in advance? Yes. Prebuilt digital twins, powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning predictive analytics, empower plant teams to predict, diagnose, prioritize days, weeks, and even months ahead. SmartSignal uses the power of AI/ML software that continuously monitors plant equipment using historical and real-time inputs to empower you to deliver the right maintenance at the right time. It goes beyond the capabilities of condition-based maintenance strategies by including the ability to analyze data tags every 5 minutes, spotting unique threats to plant functions. SmartSignal alerts you to problems before control room alarm thresholds. The software does this by detecting specific deviation patterns without relying on fixed thresholds. More time means guarding against costly equipment damage and losses from plant shutdowns. Let's dive deeper into the technology behind the detection. SmartSignal is OEM-agnostic and leverages AI and machine learning with advanced pattern recognition. It's powered by a library of 370 digital twin blueprints, each with built-in failure modes. These blueprints are readily deployable across oil and gas, power generation, chemical processing, and metal and mining assets. These failure modes are built on GE Vernova's deep engineering expertise, decades of operational experience, and advanced analytics from monitoring critical equipment worldwide. Pre-built digital twin blueprints help you catch failures first day of deployment. The software continuously analyzes large quantities of data in near real time and updates the models to detect and alert you to emerging issues in critical equipment before they become a problem. This level of prediction is only possible with software built on deep domain expertise, giving you unmatched visibility to developing failures, empowering maintenance teams with more time, visibility, and control. SmartSignal early anomaly detection doesn't just improve reliability, it puts you in control. Predictive maintenance enhances operational safety, improves resource planning, for example, parts, tooling, repairs, field services, aligns actions with planned downtime, maximizing uptime and minimizing costs. SmartSignal is backed by an expertise-based consulting and monitoring team, Industrial Managed Services. IMS is a global team of industry experts dedicated to help customers achieve maximum value. The power to predict, diagnose, and prioritize is available from day one with SmartSignal. Learn more about what SmartSignal can do for you.